In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export a Notion page as a PDF quickly and correctly. Whether you're sharing notes with someone who doesn't use Notion, sending a project plan to a client, or you simply want an offline backup of your work, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know and make the process super easy. First, open your Notion workspace and go to the workspace that contains the page you want to export. Once you're there, click on the specific page from the sidebar so it opens fully on your screen. This is important because you want to make sure all the content is loaded and visible before exporting, especially if the page includes tables, images, or long sections. Next, click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the page. You'll see several options appear that help you manage and customize the page. From this menu, select Export, and Notion will open the Export Settings window where you can control how your file will be saved. Don't worry, everything here is straightforward and easy to follow. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're exporting the correct page, confirm your page layout looks clean, and double-check any databases or tables you want included. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent formatting surprises later. Once the export window opens, choose PDF as the export format and adjust optional settings like page size, scale, or including database views if needed. After that, click the export button, and you should be able to download a clean, professional-looking PDF without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to open the file after downloading to confirm everything looks exactly how you expect it. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and keeps your information safe. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to export any Notion page as a PDF easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might need to export their Notion pages. Why not make someone's day easier?